Welcome to Blue's Garden Tips. Transplanting tomatoes. This year I started with about 190 or so seeds that I turned into seedlings. To start with, I mix up all my soil as 1/3 new black earth compost, 1/3 peat, 1/3 soil from last year's garden that becomes my compost pile. I put a handful of some espoma tomato tone, maybe some blood meal, some bone meal, and some worm castings. Then all of it goes into bags, grow bags, where I then take each individual seedling after hardening off, and that's last year's video. Pop them out, in they go to the hole, and then tamp them down a little bit, give them not too much, tamp them down a little bit. I bury them deeper than the leaves, so that any of the stem that comes in contact will form new roots. Pinch off any leaves that are touching the soil, and tap it in a little bit, not too firm, but enough so there's no air pockets. And that's it. That's transplanting. Here's a quick walkthrough. I've placed around my garden a bunch of marigolds that I have from seedlings. I have 2 Roma tomatoes and 2 Ukrainian Plum tomatoes. I have 3 of the yellow pear, little cherry type tomato. Very sweet, love them. 2 sweetie tomato plants, sweetie cherry tomato. 2 black cherry tomato, 2 blueberry cherry tomato, and 2 white cherry, which are our family favorite. Absolutely like candy. And I've got a tigerella in this part of the garden. Next up is the slicers and larger saucing tomatoes and whatnot. Again, marigolds around. Couple of giant crimson, a couple of mushroom basket, and another tigerella. 3 of these ananas noir. They're kind of a pineapple flavor. 3 Brandywine yellow, big Brandywine tomatoes. I've got 3 Brandywine Black, 3 Black Seaman tomato, 4 Cherokee Purple. Absolutely love these Cherokee Purple. They're great for sauces. Most of the Brandywine and the Cherokee Purple will end up in my sauces. A couple of beefsteak and a couple more of these little mushroom basket. Not so little, they're actually pretty big, a little over a pound or so. That's it for what's in my home garden number 1. I've got a couple of home gardens and then one at another location. Please like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks. Like and subscribe helps out a lot.